Hello and welcome to another edition of Wednesday's Words of Wisdom, but today's actually Thursday. We wanted to postpone yesterday's Wednesday's Words of Wisdom so that we could celebrate Earth Day with you all a little bit. So today's National Earth Day, and we wanted to send you all some activities and a book that you can read at home and continue to do. Keep in mind that small hands can change the world. What are we doing to teach our students how we can be impactful on our world, both in a positive or negative manner? We want to teach those skills day to day and make sure that we are making the best for ourselves, making the best choices for our community. Whoop, sorry about that. On here, we provided activities that you can do. On Earth Day, here's some activities for the kids and for your families. You can make a pine cone with or bird feeder with peanut butter and just a pine cone, and then get some bird seed and put on, hang it in a tree, and the birds, you can come and enjoy them and watch them eat that. Make mud pies, go on a bird watch adventure, a nature walk. Make seed balls. You can plant seeds in your yard. You can create a compost bin. So this would be very new experiences for many of us. Plant a tree. Discuss ways to conserve water and electricity in your home. Are you turning off that water when you brush your teeth? Are you turning off the light as you go out the door each and every day to start your day? Have a car-free day. Don't go anywhere. Stay at home. Enjoy the beautiful weather outside. Go on a walk. Go on a cloud watching adventure. These are just some fun things that you can do to celebrate Earth Day each and every day, not just today. We've also shared with you all a book that you can watch together anytime. It's a cute little book or fun book to read aloud with your family. You maybe even have some younger siblings and they would enjoy it as well. Happy National Earth Day. We hope you all have a wonderful day and we will see you soon.